Simple and Out has a number of reports that can allow you to see what's going on within your organization, whether or not you're trying to count total time or see activity, see what's scheduled, etc. Today, we're going to focus on maybe one of the more advanced reports that we offer for administrators, which is what we call the auditing report, which is a kind of whodunit report of what's happened in your organization, especially across very important objects or items. So this is a report where you can see when users were, for example, created, archived, or deleted, or objects in your company were created or deleted. So if something's not right, if something's missing, this will tell you who in your organization made that change and when that was done. So let's take a look at auditing report in Simple and Out. So here I'm in the auditing report. And of course, I have date range is the first thing I can choose. Well, when do I want to look for these things? In this case, I'm just going to pick the whole month. And then I can also choose the type of object. So if I'm after a very specific thing, maybe I want to know when a very specific object was deleted here. I have a giant list of a bunch of objects that we audit for you. For now, I'm just going to hit run here first just to see everything that we have. And so here you can see we have desktop presence was created, some users were created, archived, and deleted. We have some other things going on as well. And so here you can see what that information looks like, as well as the administrator who did it and the change by, what kind of action they took, and the time that it was done, down to the minute. So very, very useful. Now going back up to the top here, I can choose type. So maybe I just want to know, hey, when were these geofences created or deleted? I can run. That will slim our report down just to geofences. So I can see, hey, I can see that we had 3 geofences here that were just recently deleted by Sarah Smith. So if some users are like, hey, where did this geofence go? Or why did my geofence stop working? If the geofence is no longer around, you can see exactly when it was deleted within Simple and Out. Now, finally, there's one additional option I'll show under advanced options here, and that is just for the time zone. So you can choose time zone. So if you're in maybe an alternate time zone and you would wish to see these change by times at a different time, you can choose so right here amongst all the time zones that we offer. So that's the Simple and Out auditing report. It's a quick and simple report, but an advanced report that allows you to see when things were created and deleted within Simple and Out.